Hello everyone, my name is Atun and I'm an art teacher at the Maple Tree School, Dimapur, Nagaland. Christmas is around the corner and what we are going to make is just a simple 3D paper Christmas tree. This will not cost you much, so it's a very pocket friendly, so you can just make it and keep it in your drawing room, bedroom, kitchen, even in your car also. So I hope you will enjoy it. This is the requirements that you will need to make this 3D Christmas tree. Alright, so the requirements are scale, scissor, pencil, glue, and the most important thing is the A4 size paper. It's in green color, okay? So you can use different colors also because Christmas doesn't mean it has to be only green, it can be colorful. Alright, and then the last for the decorations, we just need these thermal balls. It comes in color. We will just paste it here around this tree. Let's start. The first thing is this paper will turn into a square. So to make square, you just need to fold like this and make a sharp grease. And then we are going to use scale to tear the paper. Next step, you just have to make this sharp grease, fold it like this. We just have to fold it like this again and make a sharp grease. One more and you will see these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Alright, now next one, you just have to fold it like this. Alright, and then do it like this. It's a diamond shape. We will be folding it. And then the other side also. Now the next step, fold it like this. You can just do the same. So after folding, it will be like this. This is the extra. So now I'm going to cut it out. Like this. Fine. Now, triangle. Next step, we'll use a scale and a pencil to make lines to show the 3D. Like this. Last line here, one more here. Alright. Now, after these lines, you will use scissor to cut out. You have to follow the line and cut it out. You just have to follow the line. Don't go beyond that. Okay? Fine. Now you have to fold these cutout lines. Okay? Like this. Once the fold is done, your 3D Christmas tree is ready. Will come out like this. So now, after this, the next will be, as I've already shown you, I'm gonna paste all these thermal balls with this glue. Just a tinge of glue. Like this. So the finished product is this one. This is the finished product. We can make in different colors, not only like green color, it comes in blue, red, yellow, green, orange, purple. And if you want to make it big, then you can use a chart paper. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can check out our other Christmas special videos in the given link below. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Enjoy, take care.